Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you. Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came.
So fueling number 1 is a chocolate chip cookie made in my waffle maker. I'm gonna go take a shower, get dressed, and I'll see you back at fueling number 2. Oh God, guys, we have so much snow. It's like over 2 feet. Come on, Paisley. Come on, honey. Holy guacamole. I'm up high, so you're probably not gonna get the full effect. Let me spin you guys around. Look at this. Wanna go in the back? Are you girls gonna play? Go get them! Oh my God, they can hardly walk. Look at this. What happened? And you've got a cookie in your mouth. Did you take Molly's cookie? Yes, you did. Oh my goodness, we don't know what to do. So, okay, I don't know how much you guys can tell here, but we are definitely at 2 feet. These are my bushes. And look at this. It's almost up to my knee. Okay. And that's underneath this thing that we have. So we have like a gazebo here. My bushes are destroyed from the snow. That's okay, Ma. Go ahead, honey. Holy crap. Crazy out here. But it's so weird because when it snows and it's like the next day, it's cold out, but there's kind of that insulation feeling where you don't feel as cold. So I'm gonna make the effort to climb, oh my God, to climb through the snow and get some exercise. I'm gonna walk the dogs. But oh my God, guys, New Jersey was hit. And I was saying to Jess last night, oh my God, hold on, that it was almost like the universe was cleansing the state because of all the shit we've gone through. Look at this icicle. So pretty. I should probably take it down though, because if it falls on the dogs, nope, can't move it. Hope it doesn't fall on anybody. Let's go see what the guys are doing. Oh yeah. It's a snow blowing machine. All right, we'll see you inside. All right, so we are at fueling number 2, and I'm gonna have a protein shake. And one that I have been obsessed with lately, is the wild strawberry shake. This reminds me of when I was in high school. There was a little, like a hot dog hamburger shop, and they had the best strawberry shakes. It's called Johnny and Hangie's. It's still local, but they had the best strawberry shakes. Like my friends and I used to go there after school or on the weekend at night, and we'd get like a dog all the way, fries with gravy, and the strawberry shake. This I loved in the beginning, and I stayed away from it for quite a while because chocolate was like my favorite. But I have revisited this and fallen in love with it all over again because of a special ingredient. And I know most of you already know what it is. If you follow me, you'll know. But this stuff and this particular brand, Blue Diamond, Almond Breeze, unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I'm not sponsored, but of all of the almond milks I've tried, this is my favorite. This is 30 calories for a cup, and 1 cup on the 5-in-1 plan is a full condiment. So 1 cup of this. So I use 1 cup of this packet, and 3 handfuls of ice in my NutriBullet cup. That's how much ice I use. Because a lot of you ask how I get my shakes so thick that they pass my straw test. So I'm going to show you. So let's get cooking.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until
what you didn't see was that I had to add a little bit of water to this. It became so thick that I could hardly even get it to, you know, plop down in the bottom. So let's take a peek. And you'll see on top of the lid here, there's always some extra, so make sure you tap it off. Look at that. Okay, these are the straws I use. They're by ShopRite. They're the Smoothie Straws. They sell these everywhere. There's no reason you shouldn't be able to find them. And there you go. Straw test passed. All right, so we are going to test it out. But there you go. That is nice and thick, just the way I like it. I do give it a little bit of a stir just to get it going. I mean, how can you not enjoy this? That almond milk, because it's vanilla flavored, unsweetened, combined with the strawberry, makes this a home run. This is feeling number 2, and we are staying focused. This is going to be a really good week, I can just tell. All right, let me clean this up. See it fueling number 3. All right, so we're at fueling number 3, and this is the tomato herb pasta. It does call for 3/4 of a cup of water to be added. A lot of us use less water, but today I added the 3/4 of a cup, and I let it cook intermittently 3 minutes. Then I took it out, stirred it another 3 minutes. And this way, it's kind of like a soup with some noodles and some protein. Delicious. It'll be great because I'm freezing right now. It's so cold here. All right, feeling number 3 going down. I'm going to do number 4 as my lean and green. So we'll see you at lean and green time. Okay, so it's lean and green time. I'm having it at my 4th fueling time, I guess. I still have 2 left at the end of the day. But really trying hard this week to stick to sort of the blitz, you know, where I'm not adding in a lot of stuff. So here is lean and green. Now look at the size of that dinner. Okay, we got 7 ounces of cooked shrimp, 270 grams of cooked asparagus, and 1/2 tablespoon of butter for my healthy fat. No spices, no nothing, just plain old Jane. And I really feel like this is the way I used to eat originally when I lost the 50 some odd pounds. I ate clean. I didn't add a ton of stuff, no cheese, none of it. So believe it or not, this is really delicious. So if you are in the mood to drop some extra weight, let me suggest you trying to eat as clean as possible without adding a ton of stuff in there. It really makes a difference, guys, especially in the fat loss phase. When you get close to goal and you want to start adding different things in, do it. But if you're like me, a turtle who loses very slowly, this is the way to go. I'm telling you, it works every single time. So I'm gonna go eat this right now. I'm gonna go drink my water, bottle number 3 for the day. And yeah, so I'll see you at the next fueling. Alrighty, so we're at fueling number 5. This is again a strawberry shake made with 1 cup of almond milk. So I am good because I had some coffee before and used the creamer as a condiment. So my 2 almond milks and the creamer are my 3 for the day. Had my healthy fat. So my next fueling will probably be, I don't know, maybe a brownie. We'll see, but I'm gonna go enjoy my strawberry shake right now. I just love these things. Can't stop drinking them. All right, see you guys in a little while. Oh yes, fueling number 7 time. I made chocolate pudding and had it in my fridge, getting nice and cold. Oh yes. Chocolate pudding is the last fueling of the day. Oh yeah, nice and thick. So, I hope you enjoyed my What I Eat in a Day video. I will see you in the next one, and as always, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. See you guys tomorrow.